little fun there, playing a 3-chord pattern from a song from the classic rock era, the Chambers Brothers. All my love, peace, and happiness. Yep. And that was just simply 3 chords: C minor, E flat, F, and then C minor, E flat. Get carried away when I play these pianos, and here we have another pre-owned Steinway from the golden age of Steinway manufacturing in the world. This is a 1923 Steinway Model M, 5'7" long, this way. And this is a nice reddish dark brown mahogany. It's like a wine mahogany. And we gave this a French polish and went over it. It's nice and shiny now, looks good. And it plays good, because why? Because it's a Steinway. But why else? Because it's a Steinway from the golden age. But why else? Because we put on new pins, new strings, we re-gilded the plate, we re-varnished the board, and we regulated the action so it just plays nice and smooth. We voiced the hammers, we aligned everything. This piano's ready to go. Showroom ready if you're a dealer. Put this right on your showroom. If you're a private party, you want to get a nice piano at a reasonable price, not just a nice piano, but the best piano, a Steinway. Here it is. This has the original ivories on it. Listen to the mid-range on this. Majestic. Transporting. Listen to the bass. New bass strings. Whoa. Chills is so pleasurable. The highs. Regulation, very nice. Piano playing. Everyone can play the piano. You can play the piano. It's healthy, it's healing, it's therapeutic, it's relaxing, brings happiness and joy into our hearts and our minds. Everyone can play. Get a piano today. Pianos are very reasonably priced, especially here at Sony's Piano Warehouse on Long Island in New York and Bohemia. We buy and sell nationwide, and we ship worldwide. You're looking at this anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, we can get you a Steinway. We can get you a nice pre-owned Steinway at a wholesale price. We have wholesale prices here as well. 1923 Steinway Model M. Board great. Seasoned wood. Case is just that great. Steinway, they just knew how to make pianos, knew how to get the wood so it's just right. The older the tree that the piano is made from, the denser the wood, the better the instrument. And Steinway was very, very particular about where they got their wood from. I was talking to a colleague of mine, Ed Martin, a while back, and he was saying to me that when they got the wood from, like I think it was in Vermont, they would only want the wood that was on the northeast side of the mountain, because that's where, for whatever reason, the trees came out better, denser for making piano. So very particular, great piano design. So I'm Sonny with another Sonny's Piano Video Tour for you here today. Steinway Model M, ready to go. This one will last indefinitely. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.